वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. Do you guys remember Bhai Mansukh ji? He was the one who came with Bhai Bhagirath ji to meet Guru Nanak Dev ji. If not, then go and listen to the episode titled The Test for True Guru. Now, Bhai Mansukh ji was a person who had completely given up on God. After meeting Guru Nanak Dev ji, he achieved peace of mind and became a true Sikh. He prayed regularly, woke up at dawn, that is Amrit Vela, did his work honestly, and also made Kada Prasad every day and served to all. Apart from this, Bhai Mansukh ji was an honest trader. For work, he generally used to travel from Lahore to Sangladeep. Sangladeep, now known as Ceylon, is in Sri Lanka. At that time, Sangladeep was under the rule of King Shivnab. The king was a very religious man. As mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, हुत्तो जहाँ शिवनाब पुवाला करम धर्म में चलत विसाला साल ग्राम उपासन राखै व्रत एकादशी कर अभिलाखै. Meaning, the king focused a lot on fasting and other rituals, prayed on stone idols, and a rule was established that all the people in kingdom must keep a fast on Ekadashi. Now, Bhai Mansukh ji, as always, reached Sangladeep for his trade. However, he went during the days near fasting. On the day of fasting, he continued with his routine and did not keep the fast. But the people of Sangladeep got angry that he didn't keep a fast, thinking that he has no religiousness and didn't respect the king as well. They took Bhai Mansukh ji to the king. The king asked, as mentioned in Guru Nanak Chamatkar by Bhai Veer Singh, मज्जन पूजा वर्त ना करे, संजम नेम तिलक ना तरे, क्यों तू कीती चाल निराली, पिता पितामह रीत ना पाली. Meaning, neither did you worship the stone idol and nor did you keep a fast. You seem to be a Hindu gentleman. What new traditions are you following? Bhai Mansukh ji replied, Dear king, the world is a tree and on that tree is the fruit of salvation. But there are two ways of reaching it, that is, by the way of an ant or that of a bird. Ant goes slowly and with great difficulty, but the bird reaches easily. My way is that of a bird. The king said, astonished, What way is this? Explain it to me. Bhai Mansukh ji explained. Fasting, following the prescribed rituals, ritual bathing belong to the ant's way and progress is slow. My path is flying like a bird. The bird's way is to love the Lord, who is the creator. The one who has found a true guru who has turned the mind towards the love of the Lord, such a mind is elevated and the soul is awakened. Then Bhai Mansukh ji said, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, तुम एकादशी व्रत रखनते दिन 15 में संयम करते काम क्रोध पुन खान रूपाना एक दिन तुम न करत रह जाना अस संजम में संत सदीवा बरतत है निज मन करनीवा. Meaning, what do you think that keeping a fast for one day will help you control all the 5 evils? But look at the saints who do it every day. My Guruji too keeps a fast every day. And then these evils are controlled. He explained the importance of taking bath, meditating at Amrit Vela, or that is, the time of Amrit. It means the start of the day, which begins at 3 am. Its importance is also mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 611. कर इशनान सिमर प्रभ अपना मन तन भय अरोगा कोट बिगन लाथे प्रभ सरना प्रगटे भले संजोगा. Meaning, after taking your cleansing bath, remember your God in meditation, and your mind and body shall be free of disease. Millions of obstacles are removed in the sanctuary of God, and good fortune dawns. The king was shook on hearing all this and asked, "Who is your Guru? Who taught you about birds' way?" Bhai Mansukh Ji beautifully told him about Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and with each word the king became impressed. The king said, "I want to meet him. Take me to him. I am ready to leave all of my kingdom and everything. I just want a glimpse of him." Bhai Mansukh Ji said, "Your Majesty, there is no need to renounce the kingdom. Rule the kingdom with truth and honesty, but remember the Lord in your mind." Bhai Mansukh Ji assured him that the Guru himself reaches wherever there is love and showers his blessings. In this way, teaching the king, Bhai Mansukh Ji left Ceylon to return to his own homeland. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.